When it comes to cooking, or generally speaking, gastronomy, quite often loads of things are being taken for granted. In the hustle and bustle of the kitchen, the beauty, dare I say the magic of every dish can be overshadowed by the routine. We chop onions without admiring the intricate layers, savor the spices without thinking about their exotic origins, and flip pancakes without so much as a thought about the chemistry in the batter. But what if we pause for a moment and really look of what's on the dish in front of us? Whether crafted by a seasoned chef, pun intended, an everyday cook, a mother, or a father, the heat endured, the labor, and the effort invested in each mouthful of delicious food can often go unnoticed. And believe it or not, all the works that goes in the kitchen is the final stage before it reaches our plates, but there's numerous stops prior. What did it take for each element of the dish to make it to our plate? Imagine the journey of those ingredients, the farmer tending to the soil, the sun and the rain nurturing the crops, the hand that carefully harvested each component. What does it actually take for the final dish to be complete? And what if just one single element of that delicate balance is missing? What if the rain, a vital source of life for the crops, doesn't come? Or what if it arrives in torrents? What if there's no one to tend to the fields, to nurture and cultivate the potential that lies in the soil? But above all else, what if it didn't exist at all? How would our dish look and taste? Let's take a potato, for example. At first glance, it might not seem like much. A staple found in just about any supermarket or corner shop. Bags full of them, each showcasing different shapes, sizes, and even various types. But if we take all the things we just mentioned and apply them to the potato, pretending for a minute that it didn't exist, food as we know it today would look a lot different. It's almost unfair how in almost all menus or recipes, the potato is at best relegated to a supporting role, forever destined to follow the word with. Burger with the side of potato chips, roasted beef with the side of roasted potatoes, sausage with mashed potatoes. Always in the shadows, playing the supporting role, the assistant, always the Robin, never the Batman. Well, not today. Today, we give the stage to the potato. We shine a well-deserved light on what is, in my opinion, the most versatile vegetable. Hi, my name is Ali. Welcome to Food Groove. In today's video, we're gonna cook not one, not two, but three incredible potato dishes. So let's go on and grab some ingredients for the first one. The first recipe of today is potato, I'm gonna butcher this, Dauphinoise. It's a French recipe. We absolutely love it. And this is what we need to create that. First of all, this is optional. It's a mandolin. You can also use a knife to slice the potatoes. You need the potatoes, obviously. Salt and pepper, a cup or a pot or wherever you want to bake the potato in. We need some single cream, half an onion, couple of cloves of garlic, some bay leaves, and Parmigiano Reggiano. Just keep in mind, when you cut the potatoes, the slices need to be quite thin so it cooks quickly. It takes about 30 minutes to bake it in the oven, but you need to do something for 5 minutes before. We'll show you what. It's a bit of boiling, okay? But yeah, 30 to 40 minutes, you should be good. Our potatoes are gonna be the main, but we will serve it with a side. So stick around if you want to see what the side is. Let's start. For the second recipe of today, we are going back home and we're bringing you the Romanian rustic potatoes. This will include the potatoes, some salt and pepper and some paprika, some parsley for garnish, some pancetta or bacon, and half of the onion from the previous recipe. How are we going to cook this? We need to cube the potatoes and boil them for 15 minutes. And whilst that's boiling, we're going to fry the pancetta and the onion in a frying pan, and then we'll mix them all together. For the final recipe, it cannot really be a video about potatoes without fried potatoes. And this one is going to be loaded fried potatoes. And when I say loaded, I mean really loaded. So for this one, we're going to use about 2 potatoes because we had so many potatoes today. Some green onion to sprinkle on top. Some pancetta, half of it we used in a previous recipe. Loads of different types of cheese, Leicester, cheddar, and some cheddar with some green onion, I think. And some parm that we have left from the first recipe. I think everyone knows how to cook or how to fry potatoes, but just in case anyone's interested, we're gonna go to the top. We're gonna fry them in oil and then take it out and cover it with everything that we can find. If we miss our opportunity to melt the cheese, we can use our secret weapon. Okay, let's go to slicing, chopping, whatever else we need to do. go on and fry the fries, cover them, and maybe we can finally eat something. For the side, we decided to go with some chicken. Instead of me talking about it, let me show you how it was done. We are done. I am so tired. The kitchen is a mess. Alex is drooling behind the camera, but it was absolutely worth it. Look how old this looks like. I am impressed. I am absolutely impressed. Please let us know in the comments which one of these three main dishes is your favorite and which one you want to try with your family. That being said, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It will help us a lot with the growing of our channel. And see you next time.